Hello, good evening. So in this video, actually, I want to explain to you on how to do the shifting. So actually, for the shifting, first of all, as you can see here, we have to go to the Olsera office. So actually, in Olsera, we have two application. The first one is Olsera POS. It is for the cashier system, like this, and also for the Olsera office, it is for the management application or for the owner application. So it will look like this, and then for this we have to click for the point of sale, and then we click for the post setting, and then we go to the save. We click activate this first, and then actually you can default starting cash in drawer. For example, if every morning, every day, you always inputting, for example, like this 100 rupiah for each morning, so you can type it right away. So it will um it will automatically become 100 when you want to inputting the shift. I will reset on mine first. Okay, like this, and then for this it's ready. Click yes, and if you want to hide the expected total amount during closing shift, you can activate this one. But if you don't want to, then you don't have to activate. And then after you activate both of these, you click save. And then we go to the Olsera office. I'm sorry, to the Olsera POS point of sale. We just have to synchronize, or you can just scroll it, refresh it, and then it will synchronize all of the data that you've been setting, and it will be updating into this application. So actually, in Olsera, if you activate for the shifting every morning, just for example, yesterday you're putting like 500 rupiah, but for this morning, it will not count as 500 rupiah anymore because we're gonna starting for a new shift. So actually, when you inputting for yesterday, it means that it's only for yesterday. So if it's a new day, you have to start it a new one. So make sure for your staff every morning before they doing the transaction, they can click for this three strips, and then we go to the shift, and then you can just click for the start shift or mulai shift. This is the money that we already setting in here. It will count in here, but if you want to edit it, you still can edit right away. For example, I have 120, and then we just click to start the shift. But what if your staff is forgetting to input in? Is totally fine. When they want to click for the transaction like this, for example, and they want to do the payment, actually for the shift, it will shown here. So actually you can still editing it in here, and then you just have to confirm, and then you can do for the transaction like this. It will be printed or not for the receipt, and then we click again for these three strips, and then when we go to save, actually it will show like this. So for the date of Friday 21st July 2023, actually for right now, currently we have the amount money um for 140, and then also as you can see here, we started as 120, and then for the cash transaction, it's 20,000 rupiah, and then for the expected amount, it is 140 rupiah. So this is how you can see for all of the shift, and just say that it's already done for the shift. You already do the closing, you can just end the shift, and then we have here for the expected cash, it's 140 like this. We just have to confirm, and it will start to zero again like this. So for every morning, for every day, actually you have to inputting it, because you will have like daily shift, you will have like daily transaction, so you have to inputting like that. And if you already inputting, just say that we confirm for today like this, and it's been 7 days that you haven't, just say that you haven't end the shift. It means that when you check on just say that you're gonna check in here and such things, actually you have to you have to search it by the date that you starting for the shift. So just make sure that for if it's gonna be daily, then you have to updating it daily. So you have to inputting in the morning and you do the closing at night. That's the first one. And how to check the shift. So actually, if you go to the history shift, it will shown here. So this is how you see the shift. So to start the shift, it's at 21st July and then at 4 past 1 and end shift at 4 past 2. And for the total amount of customer is one packs, and then the receipt that you already print is one. And then as you can see here for the cash, if you have just say debit or credit, it will shown in here also for the actual cash and also the total amount and such things. Actually you can go here, and if you want to print it or send to the email, actually you can just click it right away like this. This how you see it from staff, from POS, and everyone that login, everyone that can log in to Olsera POS actually can do this one, can do for this feature for the shifting. That's the first one. And what if you as an owner or as a manager or a management team want to check it by online, just make sure first of all for the cashier system it's online. In here there is Wi-Fi or internet, and then we can go to the Ulcer office. In here we just have to click for the point of sale and click for the shift summary. As you can see here for today, we start like this at 4 past 1, and when we click in here it will show for the detailed shift. So actually, it can be written by actually you can see it by the Olsera POS and also Olsera Office. And just say that what if there are several days that you forgetting to inputting for the shift? Is it gonna um, affect it to this report? Actually it will not affecting to any of these reports, because for the sales reports it will updating based on the transaction that already done make. And also for the product reports it's more like for the product sales or the category that you've done it, or if you have unsold. And then for the group stock balance it will shown all of here. But for the sales report, actually as you can see here for the sales details, it is all about the transaction they're already inputting. And also if you want to see for the profit and loss in here, it will also shown like all of the transaction that I've already done. So for the shifting, actually they have like their own reports, so it will not affecting to for the sales report and the product reports. But if you need for the shift, actually you can click for the sales by shift reports, or you can go to the point of sale and go to the shift summary to know um, more detail about the shift for the daily shifting. We can also go to this month, last month, or you can custom range. For this example, for 14 June, when you click and then it will show like this, the detailed shift. It's like this. So maybe you can watch this video first, and if you still have any question, you can ask me directly. Thank you.